Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Squats and Style, and today's video is on Smitten Haul. So a lot of people don't know about Smitten and how to use it, so let me quickly explain you about it. So first of all, you need to download the Smitten app, and once you download the app you have to register, sign up, and once you're done with that you basically get 6 trial points, and you can use the 6 trial points to make purchases online. Now let me show you what all things I got. सो गाइज मैंने वो सारी चीज़ें ली है जो वन ट्रायल पॉइंट्स पे अवेलेबल थी, ताकि मैं ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा चीज़ें खरीद सकूँ. एंड आई एम रियली वेरी कीन ऑन नोइंग न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स, बाइंग न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स एंड ट्राइंग देम. सो दिस इज़ द काइंड ऑफ पैकेजिंग इट केम इन, और ये बिल्कुल टाइम पे आ गया था. एंड इट केम इन दिस काइंड ऑफ wrapping inside. So guys, the first thing that I ordered was these Skittles, and ये 5 ऑर्डर किए थे मैंने, एंड दीज वर अवेलेबल फॉर 0 ट्रायल पॉइंट्स. तो इसके लिए कोई भी ट्रायल पॉइंट स्पेंड नहीं किया मैंने. एंड ऐसे 5 पैकेट्स आने थे बट आए थे 6. आई वॉज रियली सरप्राइज एंड वॉज सो हैप्पी कि ये अलग अलग पैकेट्स में आए हैं. सो इट वॉज रिटन इन द साइड कि 5 पैक ऑफ 5 आएगा. सो आई थॉट कि इसके अंदर सिर्फ 5 रहेंगे, बट इट एक्चुअली केम इन अ पैक ऑफ 5. So these are small packets like gems, and instead of getting 5 I actually got 6, so I was so happy. Probably by mistake they put 6, and I really wanted to try this, and I still want to try. Yummy. Now the first thing which I actually spent a trial point on is this skin perfume. This is Amalfi Blue, एंड ये काफ़ी छोटा सा टेस्टर बॉटल है. इट्स अ मेंस परफ्यूम. इट हैज़ अ स्प्रे पम्प. बहुत बहुत अमेजिंग स्मेल है. इट्स रियली गुड. काफ़ी अच्छी स्मेल है. इट्स लाइक अ कोलोन काइंड ऑफ स्मेल, एंड आई रियली लव इट. सो आई थिंक रोहित विल लव दिस and probably go for the bigger bottle. Let's see what's next in the box. So the next thing is this shampoo by the brand Cocoon. So I've tried the night cream by Cocoon, and it made my skin really good, and it made my pores tight. And I really wanted to try the shampoo by Cocoon because Cocoon is a really good brand, and this shampoo is really smelling amazing. It's smelling like yogurt and somewhat like argan oil. So this shampoo is Miraculous Sulfate Free Shampoo with milk protein, hair oil complex and voluminizer. So I'm really excited to try this one. Now the next one in this box is Jasmine Face Wash by the brand Ozone Herbals. Now this face wash consists of jasmine and aloe vera. Now let me read what's written on the bottle. So it refreshes and rejuvenates your skin and gives it a smooth, soft and radiant complexion. It's enriched with alluring jasmine extract. It also uplifts your mood with every wash, and it leaves your skin with an enchanting fragrance. So I'm really excited to try this one. So let's check what's next in the box. So next one is this Love and Peace Mist by the brand Ital Veloz. I exactly don't know what's the note of this fragrance, but it's a very floral smell.
So guys, as per the description on the app, the notes are of sandalwood and warm amber and layered with white flowers.
So the next one is the Green Tea Slush Body Scrub by the brand Anor. And it's a very tiny small jar. And this one doesn't have any strong smell, but I can smell a little bit of green tea, and the granules are very mild. It's not very harsh granule, and it smells of aloe vera gel, and it's green in color. It's very small quantity of product in it, so I'm gonna try this one soon. Now let's check out the next product. So the next one is a hair pack cum conditioner with argan oil by the brand Aranya, and it's in a tube. This smells of argan oil. Now the reason why I bought it was because on the website it was mentioned that this is a hair spa which you can apply twice or thrice a week for better non-frizzy hair. So that's the reason I picked it up. So guys, these were the things which I bought from my trial points. Now apart from this, I also got a gift from them, which was this pouch. And it's written this pouch is for $4.99. So let me show you the quality of this one. Now it's written Smitten here. Not sure if you can see it. And this has a zip. It's a good quality pouch. You can also use it as a wallet.
I also got this Bare Anatomy flat 500 rupees discount voucher, which is redeemable at a purchase of 1000 rupees on Bare Anatomy's website, and this was available for 0 trial points.
So guys, there are a few tips which I would like to give you before you make your purchases. So try to look for items which are available for 0 trial points as well, because that's how you can get more and more free products, and that's how I got the pack of Skittles. My second tip would be to go for prepaid orders, because if you go for postpaid orders, you might have to spend 50 rupees more. So I don't think it makes any sense, as the order gets delivered in 2 days. You will have to pay the money eventually. So yeah, I'll go for prepaid orders. So guys, I like trying new products and I like experimenting with products a lot, and I'll definitely review all of these products once I try them. And if you like this video, do like and subscribe to my channel.